In this session, let us learn about Pandas read CSV. Read CSV file. A simple way to store big data sets is to use CSV files, common separated files. CSV file contains plain text and is a well-known format that can be read by everyone including Pandas. In our examples, we will be using a CSV file called data.csv. Download data.csv or open data.csv. See your example, load the CSV into data frame. Now it is loaded. Type use to underscore string to print the entire data frame. By default, when you print a data frame, you will only get the first 5 rows and the last 5 rows. Print a reduced sample. See, now we are printing only some rows. See here, 169 rows into 4 columns. Okay friends, this is the end of part 7, Pandas read CSV. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Pandas read JSON. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.